Welcome back. Now this, China dialing back its real estate buying binge. The Wall Street Journal this morning reporting Chinese real estate investors are reversing years-long buying sprees in the United States, where they often bid record prices for lavish properties like the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York. Joining us right now to talk more about that and where we stand right now on prices in real estate, Dolly Lenz is with us. She's co-founder and CEO of Dolly Lenz Real Estate. And Dolly, it's good to see you this morning.
Good to see you. Thank you
so
for
much
having
joining
me.
us. Characterize the market for us first in terms of individual and commercial. What are you seeing out there in terms of real estate?
You know, the commercial market is tough. It's been slowing down. Prices got way too high, way too fast, partly because of Chinese purchasers. So now everybody's like, okay, so they have a new high. All the sellers are expecting this new high. I'm going to wait. And that's what they're doing. It's a pause, and not good for real estate, obviously.
What about individuals?
Individuals are doing almost the same thing, right? They're saying someone bought a house last year for $200,000, $2 million, $20 million, putting it back on the market this year and expecting a 50% increase. They're not going to get it. In fact, we can track lots of people who have suffered losses in the last year of something they bought a year ago.
Why? Why is things
because there's too much inventory of the type that they're looking to sell. So new development is an example. There's way too, everywhere you go, there's a hole, right?
Yeah.
New York City, there's a hole everywhere you go. and so, right? So what happens? All these new buildings, banks got back into the financing business of buildings. They're doing better with clawbacks, et cetera. But they're still in the financing business of buildings, I guess, nowhere to deploy money. So when there's money, guess what? There's going to be building.
It's always been too much. The supply is dictating things once again.
Right, and that's why Vegas is doing better. That's why Seattle is doing better. Their supplies are not as high. They're going lower, and their prices, though, are inching up to a point where I think they will have pullback as well.
So here in New York City, time on the market has gotten longer and longer and longer, right? And inventory, but what eventually happens to apartment prices here in New York City? Just as one example.
As one example, I say apartment prices continue to be flat, which is what they are right now. So they're not down. They're flat. There will be good deals to be had here and there if you have a great broker.
Well, there's concessions happening in the market. You've had supply come on. You've seen mass investment go on over the last 3 years. So what apartment companies are doing is they're not cutting the rents. They're giving a couple free months here, a couple free months there. So you're getting those concessions that are coming into the marketplace.
Which are not recorded, right? So the new people coming in don't know about that.
Okay.
Right. So that's the interesting
But this
part.
goes back to that you're seeing a tectonic shift where people are now actually wanting to rent because home prices have become so expensive that it's been more advantageous for them to rent as opposed to purchase homes.
The buy-sell analysis is always a key analysis that we go through with every single buyer. We say to them, okay, you can buy this for this, you can rent it for this. Which one would you prefer? Right? Because one is more permanent, one keeps you mobile.
But Dolly, a lot of discussion about millennials not wanting to buy a house. What are you seeing out there? And, you know, again, depends on the market. I'm in Atlanta, and I think the housing issue there is an inventory issue or a price issue, but also maybe an age issue, right?
I think that millennials all want to buy, literally all. They're not buying right this minute. They don't have the money. They have student loans. They have other pressing issues.
But they want to.
They want, the American dream is to buy a home 100%.
Let me ask you about the Journal story today. The data from Real Capital Analytics reveals that Chinese investors' net sales were more than $1 billion in the second quarter. While purchases remained in the millions, marking the first time since 2008 that the Chinese were net sellers for the quarter. Is that going to be a game changer for the U.S.? Is it a different sentiment out of Beijing in terms of buying America?
I think it's going to be a game changer in the short term as usual, right? So there's these usual short-term blips. So it will be. But then somebody will scoop up that property that they'll sell cheap, and they'll benefit from it. So it's just a short-term thing.
It happens to do with capital controls. Beijing's come out and they want to de-lever these companies. That's why H&A is selling properties at a clip, including their Hilton stake that they disposed $6 billion worth last quarter.
Well, they have great property, I must say. I mean, they did pay top price, but they have great property.
Yeah, they sure do. Dolly, great to see you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Come back soon. Dolly Lenz joining us there.